Greetings, fellow woodturners. Kerry Harrison here with a quick video on a new idea that I've never tried before for parting. I was going to part this off with this, the 90-degree detailer, or a 55-degree detailer, sorry. And all of a sudden I realized, you know, there's a better way to do this. I don't know about you, but I just really can't stand parting like this because I spent all this time getting this bowl completely finished, and now I'm gonna part it off, and I don't know, it's just such a nerve-wracking thing. I thought, boy, there must be a better way to do this. So this is my idea. I got this multi-tool, and I thought, hey, you know, why don't I just work on it like this? Just run this in here and see how that works for parting. And the nice part about it is I don't even have to run the lathe. Now, I got this mounted on the vacuum chuck. You can see, hopefully you can see in there. Yeah, there you go. You can see the vacuum chuck. But I don't even have the vacuum on right now. But I got it supported with the tailstock, and I got my live chuck in here with the reversing adapter. And when I turned this bowl, I made this block here, a waste block, and I threaded it. So I screwed it right onto the spindle. That's a nice way to do that. But anyway, I'm going to turn on the vacuum. And we are going to make sure that this is centered in there pretty good, and it is. And now that I got it centered in there, I don't even really need the tailstock support, but I'm going to just leave it in there just to start. We're going to try this here. I apologize for all the noise, but there's no other way to do this. There we go. Alright, I got most of the way through there, and now I'm going to just take this off of here. Take the tailstock out. We'll just unscrew this. And it's held really good with the vacuum, so here we go again. That worked good. Oh, what do you think of that, folks? I like it. So that parted that off no problem. Plus I didn't waste a lot of my waste block, so I can just put this back in the spindle. Once I'm done, face this off and glue it to another bowl. I like it. No stress parting is what we're going to call this. So now we'll just go ahead and finish my bowl. Haha. Oh, I like this. I like this. Yeah, we'll go ahead and wind that up to about 1,000 or so. And we take it nice and easy here. And loving the 90-degree diamond for this kind of work. Flatten the bottom of my bowl. That ought to do it. So there you have it. No stress parting and using the vacuum chuck. And obviously I'll sand this and finish it, and this bowl will be complete. Wow, love it. I don't know what kind of wood this bowl is, but it sure is pretty. Wow. There, I hope that helps. I think I'm going to do it that way from now on. Hey, thanks for watching.